This is the Deicing Depot 300 gallon, 3-lane, wireless remote controlled brine applicator. We have this in the back of a 2500 size pickup with a retractable hose reel. Three lanes of wireless control. Honda motor, banjo pump, all the good stuff. As you can see, we've put it in and we've used some nice 2-inch straps to strap it down. I suggest you guys, if you buy one, determine which one you would or how you would like to strap it down. But we use 2-inch straps. So we've put it in the truck, we've strapped it down, we've attached our boom. This is a simple plug and play for power right into your 7-pin connector of your truck. So you just really, all you have to do is make sure that you have a constant hot back there, which is normally the upper right pin. The ground is the bottom left pin. So all you have to do is make sure that that's connected. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here. We're going to make sure we check the oil, or check the gas. We're going to check the oil, which we've done already. Everything's good to go. We're going to go ahead and fire up the unit. And in firing up the unit, we gotta try to accomplish two things. We want to get this pressure gauge over here to read 40. Right now it's reading like 5. And that's because our back pressure valve here is wide open. So we want to close it, crack it open. In doing so, we're now close to 30. To get the rest of our 10%, or 10 psi, we're going to adjust the throttle. Let's see where we're at now. 40 psi. So, now that we have that, check our Deicing Depot wireless remote. Channel 1 for the left boom. Channel 2 for the center boom. Channel 3 for the right boom. And on this unit, channel 4, channel 4 is for that LED light. So when you're working on the sidewalk side, you got some light in the night. All right, center boom, left boom, right boom. And you can choose just the right and center, just the center, just the left, or just the right. Pretty easy. Now, you got a loading dock. Just go ahead and turn it on and back up. Once you reach your loading dock, stop and pull forward and out. Simple as that. Turn it on and off. A couple other features. We're going to show you the hose reel. Hose reel has nothing to do with the remote. It stands alone. This also has a very strong magnet. Stick it up there. Cross the valve is off, in line with the red hose is on. So let's go ahead and give it our 40 psi. All right, sidewalks, nice fan spray. So you may be asking, how do I get it from straight stream to fan? This is basically a demand gun. The lighter you pull it, the wider the fan. The harder you pull it, the straighter it gets. So if you got those sidewalks, beautiful job. Put it away. And you can choose to either leave the hose real hot, or you can shut it off. And again, shutting it off, the handle's across the valve and not pointing towards the pipe. On, towards the hose. So we're going to shut it off. This is a fitting that you get that you can attach to any one of the 3 discharge hoses for the boom. So we're just going to stick it on the right side. Now you can attach a garden hose to this, fire up your unit. So in the summertime it becomes a 365 unit for you, to where it doesn't have to like sit and collect dust. Use it to water your plants, your flowers, your shrubs, power wash, whatever you need. It's there for you to use. It's fairly simple. Turn on number 3, water away. When you're done, go back to your snow operations, hook everything up as it's shown, and you're good to go. We have an on-load valve. So if you have a storage tank, hook up your storage tank hose to this valve. Rotate this handle on top here towards the pump. Open the back pressure valve. All the way. Fire up your motor. What it's going to do, it's going to suck your brine in through this port, through the pump, and into your tank to fill it. Once you're done, close the back pressure valve, crack it, rotate this handle back towards the hose, and you're ready to spray. Fairly simple. Okay? The other feature to this is you also have an offload valve. The offload valve works just in reverse of what we just talked about. Hook it up here, open this handle, close the back pressure valve, pump all your brine back out into your storage tank. When you're done, close the handle, disconnect your hose, reset your back pressure. We're done. Unit's empty. Cannot stress enough the importance of cleaning your motor. You're spraying salt water. Salt water degrades steel. You're going to want to try to get as much water in here and around the flywheel and stator as possible. That's what I recommend with a straw. Spray it through that hole up top till it runs out the bottom. Come over here to this other area that you can get your straw into, and you want to target that flywheel and stator to coat it with a great corrosion resistant lubricant. That'll keep you from going to your unit the next time and getting about 6 inches of rope and nothing else. That flywheel and stator will rust together quicker than you can blink an eye. Any other questions? Feel free to call us at 954-781-9200.